Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is Uwannawatch. Welcome back to the shop. Today we got something totally different. Something I've never done on my channel ever before. I got called out by Mr. Wallace from Wallace Knife Works in Homestead to do the Get to Know Me challenge. So basically what this is, there's a whole bunch of questions on here and I'm going to read them off and give you my answers to them. I also need to call out 3 people at the end of this, and I'll call them out when I'm done reading these off. So let's get started. Number 1, how did you pick your YouTube channel name? Well, let me take a sip real quick. To be honest with you, I didn't. My wife did. I was always doing projects and stuff. It started out with furniture, and my wife said, why don't you film this and put it on YouTube? People would love to watch. And I kind of said, nah, I was just blowing her off. Nah, I don't feel like it. Well, she wound up going and buying me the camera that we're doing this on now. And she said, no, I think you really should go in there and do it. And that's pretty much how the channel name came. Chrissy came up with it and it stuck. So that's that, you know. How old are you? All right, I can put it to you this way. I'm very fluent in cursive and I can read an analog clock. So I'm that old. How tall am I? I am 6 foot. I am 250 pounds. Favorite holiday? I would have to say Thanksgiving by far. And a close second though is Hogmanay, which is a Scottish New Year. It's pretty fun. It's not very big here in the States, but over in Scotland it's great. What is your favorite color? I would have to say emerald green, the color of SK screwdrivers. Look at that, that's just beautiful. Something about it. Love it, love it. What is your favorite animal? I would have to say hands down dogs. They're loyal, they're friendly, they're always happy to see you. I don't like my neighbor's dogs, but yeah, dogs. Favorite hobby? I would have to say right here, the YouTube channel. This is a very good distraction from a real hard day at work. You come in here and you just zone out and do your thing. It's really helped me a lot. It's kept my hands busy. It's kept my mind busy. And I think my favorite part about it is the camaraderie that we all have together as this tool community. I love answering each and every single one of the comments. That'll never die. That's I think up there with anything else. That's my favorite part about this hobby is you guys, of course. Yeah. Yep. That's pretty much it on that one. What is your favorite food? Pizza. I love pizza. I can eat it every single day. I can eat it 365 days a year. I really could and never get sick of it. I love pizza that much. My doctor would say, hey, stay off of pizza, but what do they know? You know? Do I have another channel? Absolutely not. This is a full-time gig right here. I work a normal job, and this is just my hobby. And if I were to have another channel, it would seem like this would be a job, and I don't want this to ever be a job. I always want this to be fun. So I'm never going to take this serious. This is always just about George hanging out in the shop. And I hope that's how it comes across, because I'm not the history guy. You know, there's plenty of other guys out there that are way smarter, and they're actually going to research history and give you the breakdown of the tool, all that stuff. That's just not me. I like to clean the tools. I like to use the tools, and I like to talk about the tools, just not in depth, you know. Next question. Favorite song? I don't particularly have a favorite song. I like all music. I'm not very fond of rap, and I'm not very fond of that twangy, fake country sound. But other than that, yeah, I'm totally fine with all music, really. Favorite thing that I've done on YouTube, it would have to be the challenge where I challenged my wife to restoring and cleaning up some utility knives. That was a lot of fun in the shop, and there was a lot of smack talking. Most of it was done by her, but hey, whatever. And I know she won the contest, guys. You know. Favorite candy? Zagnut bar. It's the perfect toasted peanut butter with the roasted coconut. Oh man, it's just heavenly. I love it. A close second would have to be like a Russell Stouffer's, like an orange cream or a raspberry cream. I like those. What is my... Oh, you know what else is another good candy? And I never had it until my buddy Jim sent me one from England. Was it's like an orange cream bar. I forget the name of it. Ah, damn, they're so good. You know, like the creamsicles that you would eat as a kid? It tastes like those, but chocolatey. They're pretty good. What is my most frequently asked question? What do I do with all the stuff from the flea market? Well, this is kind of a long-winded way of getting around it. All right, so usually the last week in April, first week in May, we'll stop at our big flea market and we'll do a big purge. We'll sell a lot of it there. Anything that doesn't sell, we usually donate. But a lot of the stuff that I've been picking, I know that other YouTubers and a lot of my followers are actively looking for that can't find. So, I'll just stockpile a little bit, and whatever I have, if somebody asks me for something, I ship it to them. And, I get a lot of enjoyment out of that, knowing that I gave somebody something that they were looking for. So that's really what makes me happy. And that's what I do with a lot of this stuff. But a lot of the bulk that gets sold there at the flea market. And then, of course, we donate whatever doesn't sell. So, what else do I do for a living? I'm just going to be real short because can't really talk about it too much. I am a plumber and I work for the government. So, that's my job. I am going to be calling out 3 people. I'm going to call out Mr. John Fix. I'm also going to call out Mr. CC Scraps. And I'm also going to call out Alex from Bloodshed Restorations. I think these 3 guys that I picked are very fascinating people, and I think the YouTube world would really enjoy getting to know them more. So, that's my picks. That's the questions, and I hope you guys liked it. This was actually kind of fun, a little bit different, So, that's it for this one, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another. Bye.